Yeah, you can see his rump and everything. It's
oh,
just
it's
kind
tucked
of
up underneath. He's ready, sitting on go to lunge forward. Want to move a little bit more? A little step there. That's nice. Yeah. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Woody. All right. Shake your hand. Boy. Whoa. You're all right. You're all right.
That's all I want to do.
Well,